Are multinationals starting to feel the heat? At a meeting at the Parliament, MEPs of the Special Committee on Tax Rulings were primed and ready to take a bite out of Apple and Google.
When small and medium-sized enterprises have a tax burden that are 30% higher than multinational corporations, then there's something wrong in the system.
Across the EU, investigations are ongoing to get companies to cough up for unpaid taxes. Year on year, EU countries lose 1.1 trillion euros through corporate tax avoidance. But what multinationals do isn't illegal. They simply make use of national tax incentives.
To deal with the question, how responsible are you as multinational company earning billions and billions in the European Union for the infrastructure we need here in the European Union, for the taxes we need to pay all the things people need to live here. I cannot see any feeling of responsibility for this. All I hear is the others are doing like this, so we do it too.
Well, Google and Apple tried to give a wrong impression about their tax behavior. They were quoting they are paying globally a fair share of tax, which is true because they pay taxes on the profits they book to the US. But Europe basically is left without a proper tax base, and about that fact they were not ready to speak openly.
The Parliament is ramping up the pressure on companies to disclose their earnings and the amount of tax paid in every EU country that they operate in. An anti-tax avoidance package is set to be rolled out in April. But any legislative changes to close tax loopholes ultimately lies in the hands of the very member states that multinationals made the deals with.
Seems to be